Guys, in today's episode, we're going to learn how to build an ad generation automation that can create ads like this. Now, to understand this, let's jump into N8N. At first glance, this automation might look a bit complicated, so to make it easier, I've divided the whole process into 5 stages. 1. Input Stage 2. Scripting Stage 3. Image Generation 4. Video Generation 5. Output. Let's start with the input stage. Here, I've used Telegram as a trigger. For example, I send a photo on Telegram. In this case, a picture of the newly launched Thar. As soon as I send the photo, the automation gets triggered and immediately responds with a message like, "Okay, your process has started." Since we're working with images, we need their path because we'll use it later. For that, I've used the HTTP module, which gives us the defined image path. Next, the image goes into Analyze Image. Why? Because AI agents can't directly read images. They don't understand visuals on their own. So the Analyze Image step converts the picture into text, describing what the image is about. For example, it identifies that this is a picture of the Thar. That text then moves into the scripting stage. Stage 2. Scripting. Here I've connected it to an AI agent. The prompt I set for the AI includes 1. Generate an image prompt. 2. Generate a video prompt. 3. Create a caption. 4. Provide all details in a real format aspect ratio. The AI then outputs everything: the image prompt, the video prompt, and the caption. After that, I use a set prompt node to structure and store this information for later stages. Next, I've added a Telegram get approval step, basically a human-in-the-loop system. So whenever the AI creates something, it first sends it to you for approval. If you don't like it, it regenerates. If you confirm, it moves to the next stage. Stage 3. Image generation. Once approved, it reaches the image generation stage. Here, I'm using the HTTP module to call the ChatGPT API with the image prompt. The API then generates the required image and sends it back. Stage 4. Video generation. Next is video generation. For this, I've integrated Google Video 3, V3. This module calls the Google V3 API with the video prompt, and it creates the ad video for us. Stage 5. Output. Once the video is ready, the final result, the full ad, image plus video plus caption, is sent back to Telegram. So in this example, you'll see that the complete Thar advertisement is generated automatically and delivered to Telegram. If you guys also want to make ads like this, just comment "ad," and I'll directly share the JSON file of this automation with you.